Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the cutout feature to blur just the background of your video. So copy and paste your video like so, and on the second one you're going to go to cutout and you're going to select auto cutout. Then on this video you're going to go to effects and you're going to go to lens and you're going to select the blur. You're then going to put it underneath the video. And then here you can adjust the blur like so. If it's too blurry for you, you can do that. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!